In this video, I'll show you how to scan a GitHub QR code. A GitHub QR code is usually used when signing in, setting up two-factor authentication, or connecting GitHub with an authentication app. It helps you verify your identity quickly and keep your account more secure. First, open GitHub on your computer and go to the page where the QR code is displayed. This may appear during sign-in, when enabling two-factor authentication, or when setting up an authenticator app. Next, take your phone and open the app that GitHub asks you to use. In most cases, this will be an authentication app such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, or another two-factor authentication app. Inside the authentication app, tap the option to add a new account. This is usually shown as a plus button, an add account button, or a scan QR code option. Now point your phone camera at the QR code shown on GitHub. Make sure the full QR code is visible on your screen and that your camera is focused. After a few seconds, the app should recognize the code and add your GitHub account automatically. Once the account is added, the app will start generating a 6-digit verification code. Go back to GitHub and enter the current code from your authentication app. These codes usually refresh every few seconds, so use the latest one shown on your phone. After GitHub accepts the code, follow any final instructions on the screen. GitHub may give you recovery codes. Save these in a safe place, because they can help you get back into your account if you lose access to your phone. If the QR code does not scan, you can usually choose the manual setup option and enter the setup key instead. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.